Alright, first thing we're going to do is pick up the weather. 121.35 for Fresno, so we'll head into the radio.
Niner altimeter is 3012. Landing and departing runways 29er, expect a visual approach. Use caution, closely spaced parallel runway operations in effect. Runway 29er left, edge lights on. Taxiway Bravo 3 is closed in between the runways. Planets and ground are combined on 121.7. Advise initial contact, you have latest Oscar. Fresno is Oscar 1753, Zulu weather observation, wind calm, visibility 8, few clouds 12,000, ceiling 16,000 broken, 19,000 broken, and 22,000 broken, temperature 18, dew point 9er, altimeter is 3012. Landing and departing runways 29er, expect a visual approach. Use caution, closely spaced parallel runway operations in effect. Runway 29er left, edge lights on. Taxiway Bravo 3 is closed in between the runways.
Alright, so we picked up our information, for our weather information. We got information Oscar, we got 30.12 for the altimeter, and then active room 29 with the winds. So now we're going to get a hold of Brown before we taxi and let him know that we have Oscar and that what we want, our intentions are. Fresno ground says Tomahawk, Cessna 201 Alpha Alpha. We have information Oscar. Like to go to Sierra Sky Park at 1,500 feet. I told them who we were.
November 201 Alpha Alpha, Fresno ground. What was your aircraft type?
Yeah, Cessna 150, 201 Alpha Alpha.
Number 1 Alpha Alpha, Roger, stand by.
Stand by. We
Call before 1 Alpha Mike.
Told who we were, we had the weather information, and that we were ready to taxi, and he's going to give us taxi instructions. And then tell them where we're going to go. So
ground, declared to Napa County Airport.
He's going to give us a squawk.
Yosemite 3 departure.
And he's going to give us a departure frequency. If we're going to get one, we probably won't because we're so close. Probably just stay with and you'll just repeat that back.
Okay, Sequoia 5 cleared to the Napa County Airport via the Yosemite 3 Modesto transition, Okie direct.
So we can go way over here till this
4506.
The Alpha here. And
can't go past transition at Yosemite 3 departure vector Modesto.
No, we get clearance from
Yosemite 3 Modesto.
We're waiting on our clearance still from the ground.
5 read backtrack. Number 1 Alpha Alpha, runway 29 left, taxi via Alpha Bravo 10 Bravo.
29 left, Alpha Bravo 10 Bravo for 201 Alpha Alpha. So he told us that we are clear now to take Alpha. You can see the A right there. We'll turn left on Bravo 10.
Romeo Fresno.
And then take Bravo all the way to
like to request a wheels up time of 1810.
So you can see we got right there, we got Alpha, we're on Alpha.
Number 1 Alpha Alpha, maintain VFR with the tower at or below 2,000, your squawk is 0131.
0131. Alright, remain on the tower frequency 118.2, 0131 for our squawk and at or below 2,000, 01 Alpha Alpha. So we're going down Bravo 10 now. You can see Bravo 10 is highlighted there. Maybe you can going to go down Bravo. Just like a road map, kind of like a GPS telling you which way to go. So now we're going down Bravo and we're headed to 29 left. And he gave us our squawk code, which is 0131, so you'll put that in the transponder. We'll wait till we stop.
Number 1 Romeo Romeo, correction 2 Romeo Romeo, November 2 Romeo Romeo, expect was up at 12.
Say again?
November 2 Romeo Romeo, expect was up at 12.
1812 2 Romeo Romeo, thanks.
So our readback was what runway we're going to, and then the taxiway. So it was Alpha Bravo 10 Bravo. So we down Alpha, turn left on Bravo 10, and now we're on Bravo to left. You can see the taxi. We're on Bravo is in black. The taxiways are in yellow. If you wanted to hang a right there, there's terminals. Everything's in pretty yellow, but we're on the actual one we're on is highlighted black. sign says we're on Bravo, and this is Bravo 3 intersection. And the red sign here indicates that we're at the approach end of 29 left. You see the red taxi sign. Alright, so we're over here at the run-up area here. Bravo 2, 29 left. We're going to do our quick up. Alright, so hold the brakes. Sure, full rich. With the RPMs at 1700. We're going to check our magnetos, so have 100 and 125 drop on the left mag. Check the right mag. Have a drop on that one. Go back to both. Arb heat on. Have a drop on the RPMs of that. Those are arb heats working. Back to both. And all the way off. It doesn't die on the idle. And back to 9. Alright, so our run-up is complete. Last minute checks are, they're full rich. Lights on. Lights is your transponder, it's camera. And action is your mixture's full rich. Carb heat in. Primer in and lock. Alrighty, we're ready to roll. So now we're going to call up the tower. Let them know that we're ready for takeoff. So we'll go in 118.2 like they told us. And tell them we're ready. Fresno Tower, this is Cessna 201 Alpha Alpha at Bravo 229 left, ready for takeoff.
Number 201 Alpha Alpha, cross runway 29 left, and hold short runway 29 right at Bravo 2.
Cross 29 left, hold short, 29 right on Bravo 2, 201 Alpha Alpha. Alright, so he told us to cross over this left runway, go to the right one, but hold short on it, so we'll do what he tells us to do. We're crossing 29 left right now. And that's 29 right over there. On Bravo 2 at the dot, black sign. And we're going to hold short. Alright. Just before the double yellow lines.
Number 201 Alpha Alpha, runway 29 right at Bravo 2, cleared for takeoff. Wind calm.
29 right, Bravo 2, clear for takeoff, 201 Alpha Alpha. Alright, so he gave us our clearance to take off. So now we're going to take off. Sure, last minute checks, oil, everything looks good. When we give it takeoff, so if we have an engine failure while we're rolling out, we'll just hit brakes and stop. Got engine failure right after takeoff. Can land it safely back on the runway, we'll land back on the runway. And if we have engine failure, we will overheat. We will land straight ahead. Alright, so we're climbing out, rotated at 55, climbing out at 80 miles an hour. Should be a two-finger pitch attitude from your dot. Yeah, just monitoring your engines, everything looks good. Got a nice climb going, just maintain 2 fingers, full power.
Number 1 Alpha Alpha, radar contact, say altitude.
We are currently at, looks like 800 feet, 201 Alpha Alpha.
Number 1 Alpha Alpha, roger. Number 2 Bravo Romeo, where are you parking?
We're going on signature.
Number 2 Bravo Romeo, turn left Bravo 11, taxi Bravo 11 to park with me.
Bravo 11 parking with you, 32 Bravo Romeo, thanks.
Alright, everything's looking good. Painted our 2-finger pitch. Climbing out straight ahead. Always nice to kind of look around for places in case you have any engine issues or something. You need to land immediately, kind of look around while you're climbing out too, just to have something fresh. It's 1,500 feet-ish. Go ahead and level off since our pattern altitude is 13. Not going that far anyway. So pitch to level. On dot on the horizon. And RPMs to 2,300. And trim as required. Pitch, power, trim. It is a good time to adjust your compass to your directional gyro.
Number 1 Alpha Alpha, no traffic observed between your position and Sierra Sky Park. Radar service terminates, squawk 1200, frequency change approved.
First change approved, thanks for help, 201 Alpha Alpha. So he's told us that he is done with us basically. We can swap over to
Tower, good morning from
Sky Park radio frequency, and we can change our transponder to 1200, which is the VF frequency. Alright, so we got that 1200s in the transponder, and we got 122.9 in the radio, so we can make our radio call to Sierra Sky Park so they know that the traffic knows we're inbound. Yeah, Sierra Sky Park is Cessna 201 Alpha Alpha, about 3 miles to the south, inbound for 30, Sierra Sky Park. So that let people know in Sierra Sky Park that we're inbound, and we're intending to land. So, but I always look, even though you have radios, you don't have to have radios to land or take off here either. So you always want to be looking as well as listening to the radio and your ADSB in and out if you have that. Sierra Sky Park traffic, 201 Alpha Alpha is on a 2-mile final for 30, Sierra Sky Park traffic. Alright, so we're going to flow 18 into our flap zone here, holding level. First speed, we'll get to the white arc. And we'll put all our flaps in, a little high. Now we can do a slip if we wanted to. This is flip to land. Got full right rudder and left aileron. This is a slip. If you're too high, you can split. This keeps your airspeed the same. Still at 70 now. So now we're back on our glide slope. Go ahead and straighten it out. 70. Got the runway made. Not still on the numbers. There's 60. Two fingers up. After that. Alright, clean up the flaps, carb heat in. That is it. Quick flight. I think of a lot better than driving to Fresno Airport.